Everything seems to be in order. You're cleared to enter. Head to Bay 3.
All right, thanks.
Ramp is clear.
Watch the horns on the turn. Looks good, keep them steady.
Keep him moving slowly towards the gate.
Confirmed, Supervisor, we are clear for Pen 3. Vitals look good so far.
Okay, I'm starting the abdominal scan now. Keep an eye on his breathing.
Horns look solid, no fractures. The coat condition is excellent.
Noted. Behavior is calm and posture is stable.
Easy there, big fella. You're doing great.
Heartbeat strong, lungs are clear, temperature is perfectly normal.
Records verified, ultrasound shows no issues.
He is declared fit for processing.
Breathing is deep and steady, no signs of stress.
Easy there, big fella.
Lungs sound completely clear. Documenting the findings now. Temperature is 101.5.
Okay, recorded. All parameters normal for compliance.
Final health clearance confirmed. He is stable for the next stage.
Documents officially recorded.
This alfalfa is top quality. Look at the color. The protein levels are exactly what we need for the week.
Nice and easy around the horns there. Watch the pressure. Easy, boy. You're doing great. Just a little more right here.
Here are the temperature logs and the bill of lading. Everything seems to be in order. Go ahead and open her up.
We need to reroute the Kansas City shipment.
The roads are clear now, and I've updated the manifest.
Easy now, set it down right here.
All right, let's check the manifest. Everything seems to be in order.
Batch 7B is clear. Recording the data now.
Good, send them through to drying. Here's the manifest. Everything looks correct.
All right, just sign here for the pickup. We'll be on our way.
That's the last shipment heading out today.
Good, we can start prepping for tomorrow's run.